Hello, just a short video. I got some questions about the machine feeds or leveling feeds I have under my Colchester Triumph lathe. It's someone I made myself. They are made out of a 10mm thick stainless steel plate, and I have welded a 20mm threaded rod onto them. Mounted them in a chuck and faced them off so they are perfectly straight or perpendicular. I have mounted the feeds in a 100 by 100 square tube. As you can see, it's quite thick wall, so it's super strong. And I have bolted the lathe into them. It's by no means an ideal way to mount or level a lathe. I only did it like this because I want to be able to lift it with ease by a pallet jack. And because it has that height, I can just move a pallet jack underneath it and lift it up and move it around if I have to. Also, because I have the height that I do, the lathe are way too low when it's sitting on the bottom or on the leveling area as it is intended to rest on. So I get the easy movement capability, and I get about 150mm extra height. When I use it or operate the machine, it's just perfect. On the inches, I just have regular machine feet. If I need to move it, I just use my toe jack and lift it in one end, put in some wooden blocks, and do the same in the other end. And then I can raise it very easily to the height where the pallet jack will slip under. And on the bridgeport, I have some 15mm thick steel plate that are cut into this shape. I have threaded some 20mm thread in it, of course, and made these long threaded rods where I have welded a nut in the top. Below, I have this rod I have turned into a taper, so it has a pointed end. The rod rests on a stainless steel disc where I have made a center hole in it, so the rod will center in the plate. And under the plate I have some very thin but strong or compact rubber. And because of this, I can use a wrench or some sort of cordless driller or something like that, and screw the bolt down and raise the middle, and then I can get a pallet jack under it for easy movement. See? And on the Colchester Student, I have made the same with some square tubing and some homemade machine feeds below. And as mentioned, it's nowhere near the perfect solution, but it works. The best way to level a lathe is when you bolt it to the floor, to the concrete. You make a good foundation with concrete and put some well-dimensioned rods and glue them or mix them in the concrete. But most manuals will say what's the best solution. Machine feeds is okay, but it's not the perfect solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.